The TS technology has been commercially deployed since 2016. And all the utilities we have been working with, the lineman has been very supportive and embracing the technology, unlike the first generation advanced conductors. The foundations of the TS technology are actually not new. If you were to look at the manufacturing process for pultrusion, for example, on the composite core, it was invented in the 1950s, and it's been around for 75 years. The carbon fiber composite has been deployed in aerospace since the 1970s, even though it was started in the military side. But this is a mature material platform. And then the annealed aluminum, they have been introduced to the conductor industry, to our utility, in ACSS also since 1970s. So they've been around for 50 plus years as well. So when you look at the TS technology in terms of the building blocks, these are proven manufacturing process, proven material platforms. So we're not really looking at something that are totally new, just come out of the laboratory. So this is a mature technology. This is a technology that has been proven, including the various key components of the technology that and a lot of our friends in the utility, they are often interested in, how many years, technology have been used. I could say that all the key components have been proven and true and validated for 50 some years.